Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2016 Hyundai Tucson Premium. Coming in this nice silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.6-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a backup camera, nice little roof spoiler with roof rails as well, mud flaps on the rear and front. We do get blind spot detection and turn light indicator mirrors. And moving to the front here, we got that classic license plate bracket and that nice Hyundai grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You can collapse your last row if need be. 12-volt hooks and doodads to hold your gears down. All that fun, and you do get more storage underneath with your spare tire. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior. You do get rear vents. And you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space, and you can adjust them forward or back, all that fun. Heated back seats, and you do get plenty of door space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Lights, you got your blind spot, traction, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 77,620 kilometers. We do get a heated leather-up steering wheel. You got your toggle for your screen, cruise control, all that fun. Phone, volume, playback, play forward, voice, and mode. And continuing here, we do get our average fuel range, trip A, trip B, digital speedometer. You got power off for your music, obviously. You got your maintenance and all your other settings. To my right, we do have our gear select, little storage cubby, your drive modes, which do include sport, eco, and normal. You got your locking diff, hill, cup holders, more storage here, 12 volts, aux, and USBs, and leather up center console with tons of storage. You got heated front seats with that heated steering wheel and dual climate. You do get your hazards there, storage below, and up here we do get our infotainment system, which has your normal AM, FM, all that jazz. It is touchscreen. Woo, we're going for fun. We got Seek, radio, all that jazz, folder, media, because you do get Bluetooth as well, which is pretty handy. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RB34204A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.